Here we go. Thank you, flat, soft ground, for a good night's sleep. I slept probably one of the best night's sleep last night that I've been out bike camping. Was colder than the other nights, I think. But I still slept fine. Just bundled up in my sleeping bag and didn't let the cold air in. But the gnats are crazy. I got up this morning to make my coffee and you can see them buzzing around my head. If it weren't for these head nets, it'd be absolutely miserable. They're even landing on the camera. Crazy. Must be the heat. Anyways, we're breaking down camp. Have some coffee and Jim's gonna have some breakfast. We're letting our gear dry out because it was heavy dew last night, so things are a little wet. And then we got a 25-mile ride into Grand Marais today. So it should be a good ride. I believe the trail is not too bad. At least we only have 25 miles, so if it's not the best, we won't have to go too far. So, and then it's going to be a relaxing day because Grand Marais is a nice town. We can go get some real food. Maybe even get some of the world's best donuts. But we'll see how that goes. Jim, did you sleep good last night?
What was that?
You sleep good last night?
Oh, I slept great. I slept better last night than the night before. Heard a lot of unusual wildlife sounds that I haven't heard before. So
like the bird with hiccups?
What was that?
Like the bird with hiccups?
Yeah, and some whooping and whatever.
Yeah, it was definitely an interesting night before falling asleep with all the different sounds. So, all right, we'll check in later. Hello. Awesome river. I don't know what river it is, but it is beautiful. What beautiful scenery. But wow, what a treat. So the penalty for the big downhill was a major uphill. Yep. Granny gear, 2.5 to 3 miles an hour. Oh yeah. So that dirt trail that we were on, the dirt road, Murmur Trail, Rumor Creek Trail just dumped us out onto this County Highway 7. And so we're going to be riding asphalt for the next few miles into Grand Marais, where we're going to be staying for the night. Oh yeah, it's the end of day 3 today. Just we made it to Grand Marais. The trail to Grand Marais was absolutely awesome. We got our tent site set up. Looks like we're good to go. And we got our bikes ready to go pretty much, except for our food pack and clothes pack that we'll put on there. It's been a great 3 days. Today we got here pretty early, so we spent the day in Grand Marais at the campground. We did some hiking along the lake, and that was really nice and pretty. And then we also went into town for dinner, so we didn't have to cook our own meal. But now we're in a really nice campground, as you can see, campground. Right across from the bathroom, so it'd be nice and easy, convenient. So it's nice to finally get a good shower in. It's not supposed to be as cold. I think the low is supposed to be like 57 degrees. That's about it. Good day. And we'll check in in the morning when we get up and get ready to go.